Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable password sign in Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to disable password sign in Windows 11 from command. You can see that the system requires a password to log in. When you log in, enter the command Netplwiz in the search box. Click on it. When you see the window, uncheck the users must enter a username and password to use this computer checkbox. Click on Apply and you must enter the user's current password. Click OK. After that, open the control panel from the search box. You're going to click on User Accounts and again on User Accounts. Then click on the Manage Another Account option. You're going to click on the account to remove the password. Now you're going to click on Change the Password. Here, enter the current password and you will leave the other fields empty. This will mean that the session does not require a password. Select Change Password. Let's check that it is correct, lock the system, and you will see that Windows password no longer requested. Chapter 2. How to disable password sign in Windows 11 from settings. To get started, press Start and select Settings. After this, go to Accounts and there choose Sign-in options. You are going to click on Password and then click on Change. First, enter your current password and click Next. After that, leave all the fields blank and click Next. You can click Finish to complete the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We are going to lock the computer and verify that an access password is not required. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.